The peach-faced lovebird, also known as rosy-faced lovebirds. Rosy-headed lovebirds. And rose-ringed lovebirds is a species of parrot native to Africa that measures 6 inches in length and weighs between 1.6 and 2.2 ounces. These birds are named for the pink feathers on their face breast area. Peach faces love their playtime and positive interaction with their people. Breeding lovebirds can be a fun and rewarding experience. Here are some tips on how to breed lovebirds. Find a pair of lovebirds to breed. Choose the best lovebirds to breed. This can help ensure the health of the birds and the breed. Check that the lovebirds you want to mate are not related. This may require a DNA test. Make sure the birds have not mated for more than 2 clutches, which can cause them serious illness. The proper size nest for a lovebird is about 12 inches on each side, with an entrance hole about 3 inches in diameter. Proper nesting material, such as shredded paper, should fill the nest box. Lovebirds can start breeding when they are as young as 10 months of age and may continue until they are 5 to 6 years. They are very prolific and may produce several egg clutches within a single year. After the eggs are laid, female lovebird broods over the eggs. Usually after laying the whole clutch. The incubation period is between 21 to 23 days, after which the chicks are hatched. Lovebirds tend to lay many eggs after mating, but most don't hatch. In fact, only about 10% to 20% of a clutch will hatch sometimes. None of them hatch at all. Occasionally, the mother male lays dozens of eggs before one hatches. Once the chicks are hatched, they will be fed by their parents for several weeks until they are able to self-feed. But this happens only in few cases. Mostly 80% result is obtained. As such, it is a beautiful, attractive, and lively bird to keep at home. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.